Shut them down there, westbound. Shut them down, westbound. Shut them down.
Yeah, northbound, y'all be careful. Fucking shit got a wreck out here and wide.
Shut them down. The road's completely blocked up here. Shut them down. Road's slick.
Doesn't seem like there's a winner on either side, really. Well, I thank you for the response. It is complex indeed, and, a couple dollars raise, especially...
Whether it's 20 or 100 degrees outside, Eagle Shield will keep you comfy inside by reflecting 97% of the heat back in during the winter, and just as important, creates a barrier that the heat can't penetrate in the summer. Eagle Shield will keep you comfortable and save you money. Right now, the first 25 callers will receive a space-age water heater blanket worth $175. Call Eagle Shield today at 1-800-88-EAGLE. That's 1-800-88-EAGLE. And tell them KCBS sent you.
Eagle Shield.
Call
1-800-88-EAGLE.
It's our final sale of the summer. It's Showdown Grand from the Bay Area's largest fair. It was related to some idea I think Henry Morris came up with. That there's vast oceans on the continents, and somehow all of the continents broke, and all this water, steaming hot geysers shot up into the atmosphere, and somehow all the
And Nina pushes everyone else around, too. As when she confronts the woman handling restaurant reservations at a crowded Olive Garden, as other patrons watch while waiting for their own tables. Zoe Deutsch plays Infinity.
Infinity say.
Get the f*** over. You non-driving mother. You stupid mother.
first left.